Hey guys! Today, we're exploring the beautiful city of Cox's Bazar in Bangladesh. Located on the Bay of Bengal, this city is famous for its stunning 120 kilometers long natural sandy beach, making it the longest in the world. Beach, but that's not all. Cox's Bazar is also a hub of the fishing industry and home to unique Buddhist temples and pagodas, reflecting the rich cultural heritage of the area. And let's talk about the local lifestyle. It's a true beach bum's paradise. The people of Cox's Bazar live a simple and relaxed life, centered around the sea. Whether it's fishing or tourism, the local community relies on the ocean for their livelihood. But, as with any city, Cox's Bazar also has its challenges. It's home to large refugee camps, housing Rohingya refugees from Myanmar, bringing a global humanitarian crisis to this peaceful corner of the world. Overall, Cox's Bazar is a unique and dynamic city that offers a glimpse into the traditional way of